pull it away so you can get some more of your gel in there. Don't try to do too much at one time, because then your gel starts hardening up on you. You'll see on this on the carpet strand where there's the bits that you got to push down in there. You know, you'll see it. Sometimes you got to hold your screwdriver on there and then to pull it out, twist on your screwdriver and then pull out. Okay? It looks like there's just a little bit more right there. Come on. Don't fail me now. Next time I go to the store, I'll have to get another one of those. There we go. Take my carpet scissors, cut that off. Look at that. I can maybe just put a little bit right there. And right there. I'm going to put just a hair more right down in there. And push this together like that. Okay. Hold on to it for a few seconds. Okay. And boom. What do you think about that? What do you think about them apples? Jackson? Jackson? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Now granted, this is going to be underneath the couch, so I'm not too concerned. It needs to be any better than that. Okay. Well, I've got it all on my screwdriver tip, and I can clean that off. It's all dry now. And I've got my little wire. It's dry on my wire. I've got a little curly Q on the end of this. I use that. That's my special tool for other things. Okay. Now, make sure I cover that up, huh? Okay. Now, I can put this cover plate on, can't I? Let's see how nice this plate looks now. So I'm pushing down on it. I think it's going to cover. Yep, it's going to cover. go. That's gonna be underneath the couch. Got my carpet fixed as best as I can, and I think that's good enough. I really wanted to, I could put a little bit more on top of there, you know, right in there, if I wanted to. Do I? You want me to? Jeez. Guess I could. Okay. A little bit more. Right in here on the top. There. Are you happy now? Maybe? Okay. How's that? A little better? A little better? Jeez, if I'm gonna do that, I might as well hit the last little bit right there. Kaboom. There we go. I think that's good enough. So just take your time when you're patching carpet. I told you I was going to show you. How's that looking, huh? There. I told you I was going to show you that zip. When Mommy was vacuuming, it must have pulled up at least 1.5 feet. I'm showing you exactly where it is. Can you see it? It was right here. All the way from there to about there. Look at that. See? That took me a while to do that. In fact, there's a little strand here that came up. I'm going to have to come in here and glue that down. But it looked like it was really bad. And I spent, 2 hours, 2.5, 3 hours on that. A little bit at a time, an inch at a time, and put that all back in there. Okay? All right. That's all I wanted to show you on this video. Sorry it took so long to do that, to get that glue to start working. But you can use Crazy Glue Gel or Gorilla Glue. And see, it says Super Glue, but you want to find the one that says Gel. So Gorilla Glue, Super Glue Gel, and Crazy Glue Gel, so that it comes out in a gel rather than just a stream of like water. You know what I mean? And you'll be able to patch it yourself. And I'm still working here, but when I get that done, I'll have that all cleaned up. I assured her, yes, when I get all done, it's going to look like I was never here. And that's the goal every time I do a project, and hopefully that's yours too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.